Hello, my name is Suresh. I'm lucky I'm from Sukarmaru and battery card number is CE190078. So today I'm going to talk about the problem statement. So as you know that most robbery cases occur due to the low security system in the housing area. This also happens when the lights are not functioning, which is easier for the thieves to break it since they are not visible to the rapers when it is dark. So by using the motion sensor, the lights will be turned on at the area of entry at the house, and the consumer will also be notified via the Android apps to be aware of the home break-ins. So moving on to the objective, the first objective is to design and develop a device that is able to control the light by detecting motion and light intensity. Next is to design and develop a light monitoring system in an Android-based mobile application. Lastly, to evaluate the durability of the developed system of light monitoring system for home security. So that's it for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SG22 bin Saifuddin. Okay, I will present you about state analysis, which consists of 5 elements. First is social. Social is smart light monitoring system trend is increasingly among consumer. And the second one is technology, development of PIR and LDR sensor for automatic light monitoring. IoT connect with smartphone using Blink app to monitor the light. For the third one is economic, smart light monitoring system able to increase economic country while increase job for installing and repairing. And the fourth one is environmental, which is focus on reducing the electric usage at night by using a smart and automatic control. And lastly is political, able to realize political stability, having a positive impact on politics as a force to push technology advancing. That's all for me. Thank you.
Greetings to all. My name is Vanessa Armugam. The metric number is AE190128. Today I'm going to explain about the NADC part for our project. The first letter is N, stands for need, which is to minimize the need for human involvement, increase security, and improve energy efficiency. Next is approach. The system is semi-controlled, which is able to be controlled by a sensor or manually by a human. Next is benefits. Our benefits is strong performance in monitoring light with reduction of electrical usage for light. The final one is the competition. Our product is highly competitive and low price lighting companies with more advanced technology. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Syami Bakri Ibrahim. My metric card is CE190170. So today I'm going to continue for my part, which is list and cost of component use. So we have 6 components. So the first component is light depending sensor LDR. Second, passive infrared sensor PIR. And third, node MCU ESP8266. Number 4, breadboard. Number 5, breadboard jumper wires. Number 6, a light emitting diode LED. So for this component 1 until 4, we need 1 quantity. And about 5, component 5 and 6 is 30 and 5. So the total cost that we need to spend for this project is 32 ringgit and 35 cents. So yeah, that's all from my part. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tan Hua Hing. This is our design, Smart Auto Security Lighting. This is LED for switch. This is LED for PIR sensor. This is LED for LDR sensor. Here we can see the PIR sensor. When it comes close, we can see here is the LDR sensor. Our design is controlled by ESP8266 connect with Blink app. I will demonstrate this design. Let us see how it works. Left below show the Blink interface in smartphone. When I switch on the button in Blink, the blue LED will on. When I switch on the LDR button, this means that the yellow LED is allowed to be controlled by LDR. Now it's like that LDR didn't detect the sunlight, the yellow LED on. I will put a light source to the LDR sensor. So now it's sunny day. LDR detect the sunlight, the yellow LED off. Yellow LED will give the notification in Blink apps. When I switch on the PIR button, This means that the LED LED is allowed to be controlled by PIR. I put my hand, the PIR detect motion, LED LED on. The channel of LED LED will give a notification in Blink apps.